Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Once again, we are talking about graphic designing. Already we have discussed so many things, and now in this session we are going to talk about how graphic designing is useful for social media. Nowadays, social media is one of the very important aspect of every business. If you want to grow your business, you need to sell your services or your products, and social media is one of the most effective way to increase your sales, increase your clients. And when you are trying to increase your clients, there are two different ways. One is the paid advertisement and another is generic advertisement, or you can get your clients or your services, you can sell your services free of cost. Now this is possible with the help of so many different tools and techniques, but you need to have a knowledge of graphic designing. Graphic designing skill can play a very important role in social media management. So many different platforms are available where you need to create your posts, your images, your stories. You need to launch your products, your services. You need to conduct some events, and all those things requires effective way to communicate with your clients, with your viewers, and you need to create an engagement, you need to create a bonding with your clients or viewers, and therefore graphic designing skills is very important. Now let us try to understand this with the help of mind map. Now this is already we are discussing about. In first session we have discussed the fundamentals, then in last session I have given how graphic designing skill is important for web development, and now we're at third position, that is graphic designing for social media. Now this is very important because graphic designing skills are most widely used in social media. Therefore this section is again divided in two parts. In part 1 I am going to explore the overview and importance of graphic designing skills for social media, and in second part I am going to talk about how to create stunning social media graphics. So in this session we are going to talk about importance and overview of graphic designing for social media. Now, as already I told you, social media influence is very important for current world. Everyone spending lot of time on social media platforms, let it be Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever. So here, if you want to get new customers, new clients, or you want a growth in your business, then social media is one of the very important part where you can launch or you can pitch your sales and products. You need to use different kinds of funnels, different strategies, tactics to get good viewers or convert your viewers into your customers. Now here I am going to talk about only social media and graphical designing. So many things are involved in social media. It is not only graphic designing. You need to create a proper system to get a lead, and then you need to have a system to nurture the lead, and finally that lead will get converted to customer. Now that is totally digital marketing part. Now I am not going to talk about this part right now. I am going to talk about the initial phase, that is how graphical designing is useful. To create a social media influence, you need to work with graphic designing skills, and if you are a good graphic designer, you can get more benefit on it. Now why social media designing is important for getting a new clients. Now here I'm going to talk about four different things. Now already we have discussed this part in first part of this series. So if you are interested, you can go back and watch those videos. For the timing, I'm just going to explore these four things. Number one, why good graphic designing skill is required is to grab the attention. Everything begins with the attention. When customer or viewer first time comes to your channel or your platform, this is because you are successful in grabbing the attention. You need to make your post or image so attractive that it will capture the attention of viewer, and once viewer is giving the attention, then the second phase start, what is given inside it. So the first important part of graphic designing, and where now see, social media is also a crowdy now. Everyone is spending so many time, but everyone is trying to get existence on a social media. Now, when someone is scrolling different images or posts, you need to grab the attention that user or viewer will come to your post to read what you are giving or to watch what you are trying to show. So attention is very important. So grabbing attention is highly recommended skill for social media. The second one is to create a communication quickly. People don't have time to spend. They are continuously watching different reels or posts. Now here what is very important is you need to communicate effectively in very minimum time. You need to send the exact message to your viewer so that the next step can be possible. Now, this is very important. Grab the attention and give your message quickly and effectively. You need to create an impact so that engagement will take place. And apart from this, you need to create your brand identity. Now, grabbing attention and giving a message is one thing, but creating your brand identity, how to make people to trust on your post, to trust on your company or your brand. Now, this is possible with the help of branding. So branding is required to get the trust of public. Now here so many things are involved: how to create a branding, how to create a social impact with the help of different colors, fonts, images, messages, slogans, your vision, mission, goals, all those things are required. And here you need to understand the concept from strategic management. By the way, I have created a new course of strategic management. Now here I am not giving only traditional strategic management which is taught for MBA student, but here I am trying to give tools how to create your vision statement, how to create your mission statement, how to set the goal. Now goal setting is very important to evolve your business, to grow in your business. Now how to set the goals and how to stick with your goals. Now vision, mission statement, goals, all those things are there, but how to make it impactful, how to save your time. If you are spending so much time in setting a vision and mission statement, it's not good, because nowadays time is money. Money loves speed. That is the statement that I have learned from my mentor. Money loves speed. So if you want to earn a lot of money, you need to take action very quickly. And to take action very quickly, there are so many AI based tools. And by using those AI tools, you can create strategies, you can create your mission statement, you can create your vision statement, you can set your goals. Again, to stuck with your goals, you need to use some AI tools to create scheduler to schedule your tasks and your entire day, entire week, entire month and year. And you have to create a strategic decisions lot of times, and lot of AI tools are available for decision making services also. Last time I have got some comments from viewers that even some students are asking, is it worth to learn graphical designing nowadays, because lot of AI tools are coming in the market. So whether we are learning AI, whether we have to learn AI or we have to learn graphic designing, or if you are learning a graphic designing, whether we are going to get some knowledge or not. Now this is very important, and therefore in next session when we are talking about tools, I am going to tell everyone how you can make AI tools your friend and you can generate lot of different images. Now productivity is one of the very important. As already I told you, money loves speed. Now if you want to take actions, you need to take actions very quickly, and here AI can help you. So you don't take artificial intelligence as your enemy. Artificial intelligence is there to support you. And already I told you, communication of quickly grabbing attention, it requires lot of emotional touch. Now machine cannot create emotions, human can create emotion. Sometimes being imperfect is also required. You are listening to my voice, you are listening to my words. Sometimes I'm bumbling or jumbling, or I'm not pronouncing well. Sometimes the word I'm using, sometimes there are some small grammatical mistakes. But when I'm using this kind of language, it's a human language and it reaches to human. AI voice generator can create very impactful speech without any mistake, without any error, without grammatical, and but the words those are used by AI system may not be heart touching to human. And yes, even though there is artificial intelligence, even though there are a lot of tools, there is a scope for you. You don't learn graphical designing in a traditional way. You need to learn graphical designing in advanced way, where you are going to improve your productivity, your ideas. You can make a lot of creative things with the help of AI tools, and at the same time, by learning multiple tools together, you have to create an impactful design in less time. So this is that message that I want to give you. Let's go to the fourth part, that is, you need to create an engagement. Now, to create an engagement, again, you need to work on different systems. So learning graphical designing, not only creating some images, but you have to create the engagement. This is very important. Learning systems, I'm not talking about learning one tool. If you really want to earn money from online business, then you need to learn different skills, and graphical designing is one of them. I'm going to give a lot of details on this later on. For the time being, let us stop here only. Now, what are the roles that graphical designing has to play here? Again, there are four parts. The first one, you need to post a design on different social media platforms. So attractive post by using proper fonts, colors and images. Second one, that is, you need to create some stories. You need to design them in the form of pictures and post them, so that you can create a liveliness in your post, and you can design and grab the attention of user. Normally stories are very useful for creating a long term impact on society. Then you can also create some ad creatives. You can create ads, you can use them for paid ad campaigns. Fourth one is video thumbnails. Without thumbnail, nobody clicks on a video, so you need to create the first impression by making a proper video thumbnail. Now, these are the different roles that graphic designer has to play in on a social media. Now, this is about just overview. Now, how to create stunning and impactful creatives by using graphic designing skills for social media, that part we will discuss in next session. I hope this session is really helpful for you, and if you like this video, please share with your friends, give a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to this channel till today, then please subscribe my channel so that you will get such kinds of videos. Also give your comment what exactly you want to learn from my side, so that I will create those kinds of videos, and your comments are very useful. I am getting a lot of different feedbacks in the form of comments, in the form of phone calls, emails and all those things. So thank you very much for your feedbacks. I really appreciate your efforts. Keep watching my videos, stay tuned with my channel, and let's learn and earn money from online platforms. If you want to join my community, here is a link. Please join my community, where I am going to give a lot of things apart from skill. So learning together. See, learning doesn't mean getting a knowledge. It also requires acknowledgement. It also requires accountability. It requires motivation, and it requires some tools that we have to use, a perfect path to be followed, and all those things you can get if you are joining my community. I am helping my students to earn money not only from one skill. So it is a continuous lifelong learning. This subscription is for lifelong learning, where I am going to give support for how to get your clients, how to market yourself, how to work as a freelancer, how to create a lot of different money making sources by using websites and other things. So if you want to learn and earn money from online, please join my community, and where we will have miracles to happen, and together we can achieve a lot of things. So thank you very much for watching the video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.